It's inevitable that property damage will happen. It happens to the best of us included, and it's really about how you try to protect yourself before it happens and what you do in a situation when it has happened. Obviously, it goes without saying that don't have anything in your holiday let that is either really sentimental to you, has a high value, or anything that you would just be distraught if it got damaged. It doesn't happen often, but it does happen from time to time, so you've got to make sure that everything in that house is replaceable. Secondly, it's a really good idea to make sure that you have some kind of damage protection in place. So obviously we list our houses on multiple different websites and they all kind of have a little different way of doing things. So Airbnb, they have a host protection guarantee, so that covers you up to $1 million, which is obviously a lot of money. Let's hope nobody damages your house that badly. Then you have VRBO, where they have a damage protection fee. So basically a guest will pay a nominal amount and then your home is covered for damages up to another nominal amount. On our website, we also have a property damage fee. So we charge each of our guests an amount and they are then covered for accidental damages up to £1,000. So for instance, if they broke a lamp or they broke a kettle or they knocked a mirror off the wall, that's something that we're going to cover so long as that isn't in excess of £1,000. If it's anything more than that, we will always contact the guests directly and try to make sure that all damages are covered. It's important to be aware when you are renting your house on a holiday let basis is that you are going to get more wear and tear in your property with people constantly coming inside and out of your home and using your property in a slightly different way than you would. Whilst wear and tear is not something that we cover under our policy, it's really important for you as an owner to make sure that you have a buffer in place to cover wear and tear over the course of a year, whether that be repainting your hallways or replacing your linens. It's just something that you should be aware of if this is something that you're deciding to do. If you have any questions on that and want to speak to me, please contact us on simplegetaway.com. We would love to hear from you.